Do you know what a loan shark is? A loan shark is someone who lends money as a business without permission from the Financial Conduct Authority. They may offer what appears to be a quick fix small loan, but in the long run, any money borrowed will quickly turn into violence, threats, and intimidation, and will come at a very high price. Loan sharks are increasingly using social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat for predatory lending. They target potential victims and trap them in a spiral of debt with what turns out to be extremely high interest loans, with some using threatening behavior to those who can't afford to pay the extortionate loans back. How to spot them? Well, these are the warning signs of loan sharks. They won't provide you with receipts or proof of payment. They do not provide a loan contract or paperwork. They'll increase the debt and add additional amounts to the loan without your permission. They'll refuse to give information, such as the interest rates or how much you still owe. They may resort to intimidation, threats, and violence. They will pretend to be your friend, and they may suggest other forms of payment. A new project by the Multicultural Resource Center is aimed at raising awareness of the dangers of loan sharks, and it has been launched in Rochdale, Oldham, and Bolton. The project aims to prevent residents from falling into the clutches of illegal lenders, loan sharks, as well as highlighting the importance of seeking support. You'll learn more about what a loan shark is, discover how loan sharks can target people. You'll hear a story of someone who was involved with a loan shark, and discover how to get support and help yourself. For awareness-raising sessions and also art workshops, you can contact Imtiaz Patel on 07515 282 098 or email mcrcrochdale@yahoo.co.uk. If you've been affected by illegal money lending, loan sharks, and don't know where to turn, you can contact the illegal money lending team for confidential support on 0300 555 2222 or live chat with the team at www.stoploansharks.co.uk. Thank you very much for watching, and please be aware of loan sharks and the dangers they pose.